Good God, trumpet, don't he?
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Take Nikki. Nothing! You want to share some of the rent money, babies? Oh, no. Can I have... Look, they're gonna evict us. Give us some rent. I just want to... you little shit!
Miss, you want your makeup done? Oh, so pretty.
Le de un dolor y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le de un dolor.
هات دول هات اللحمة هات
His name is John C.
Yeah, when I bite you, you can't do nothing. Oh, mother chinga, you can take the cat out the hood. You can't take the hood out the cat.
Yeah, this is gonna be great, man. You're the best human we could ever ask for. Hell no, man. Who does he think we are? Half dog, half dolphin?
Hey, Sharon, listen to me. Have you ever bathed in catnip? Sharon, have you ever done it? Get out of here. I'm tripping my tit.
I don't go to school. Shut up! I'm sick, Ma. And I'm sick of your ass. Get your ass out the house. This is my day off. I need you out. You going to school. Shut up! You are going to school. Ma, I don't want to hear.